Hi, my name's Amy and I'm a registered nurse. Your provider recently partnered with us at FitPeo in order to provide you with remote patient monitoring. So today I'll be showing you how to utilize your new equipment that you received in your home. I'll be demonstrating that with Kaylee. She's our nursing aide.
Step 1. Open the application titled FitPeo on your Android or Apple device. Step 2. Select the tab on the home page that says Oximeter. Step 3. Once the device has been selected, place the device on your finger.
Now I'm going to demonstrate with Kaylee how to use our pulse oximeter device. Be sure that you have no nail polish on and no artificial nails, as that can alter the reading. So the first thing you want to do is select the white button on your device. Next, you can insert your finger into the device and place your hand down on a firm surface, such as the top of your thigh or a flat table or a flat desk. Instantly, you'll start hearing the device beep. That means that it's tracking your heart rate and your oxygen. Be sure to allow at least 10 seconds for this process to happen so that the information can be transmitted appropriately over to the mobile app. Once that has taken place, you can then view your reading. So now Kaylee's oxygen is 98 and her heart rate is 74. The reading is
5. For the pulse oximeter, a timer will count down and notify you to know when to remove your finger. The results will then save automatically. Step 6. Go back to the home page and repeat the process. Also, you can check the trends by clicking on readings on the bottom tray to check your past readings. www.fitpeo.com. If you have questions, call or text our personalized healthcare team at 610-634-8736.